Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to set two-step verification code in your WhatsApp. How to set a verification code on your WhatsApp, and what does this code do? The code enable your WhatsApp not to be hacked, or your WhatsApp pin not to be changed from hackers. Like in a group where hackers will hack someone's account, and from there they will start to send messages to others and also hack others' accounts. So it is very important that you set this two-step authentication code. Let's get into it. Now you go to your WhatsApp. If you don't have WhatsApp, download WhatsApp in your Play Store. Then go to your WhatsApp. Then when your WhatsApp open, you go to your setting. This is my setting. Then you go to your setting. Let me go back. Like when you open your WhatsApp like this, what you will do is go to this three dot here, then click on setting. Then when your setting open, you go to account. As you can see, it says security and notification, change number. So you go to your account. I've clicked my account now. Then you find two-step verification code. Like the first one is security notification, the second one pass keys, the third one email address, the fourth one is two-step verification. The other one that follows is change number. The other one is request account info and add account. That means if you want to add another account to this WhatsApp, you can actually add another account number, another phone number. Wow. Then another one is delete account. So we are going to take two-step verification code. Then like me now, I have already verified mine. So if you have not done that, this place will open a space where you can put the code you want and also your email address, and you will click save. That is how simple to verify your WhatsApp number is. Do this and save yourself from hackers. Do this and save yourself from being penetrated by hackers. Please, if this video meets your need, subscribe to my channel and tap the notification button so that when I post the next video, you will be able to see it. See you in my next video. Please always check my account, because I'm going to be dropping a lot of video that will benefit you in this my channel. Bye.